Let's talk about this French clamp. The French clamp is used to hold magnetos in place and keep them from twisting. It was designed on a trip back from the Gritty Gathering by myself, Skip Matczak, and the wizard, French Grimes. French, as you know, is the specialist in magnetos, and he said, how the heck are we going to get the depth of a magneto right? If it goes too deep, it rubs and it twists. If it goes too high, it slips out of place. So these are some real problems. So we came up, instead of a standard clamp, we use a split clamp. It can be placed anywhere on the shaft, an adjustable pivot pin, of course 2 little screws that allow the unit to rotate back and forth, a very, very precisely milled slot. Now, how does it work? One would put this on his magneto or distributor, drop it in place, time the ignition, lock it, run the car, great. You do the same thing again for your spare. You take your spare ignition and you set it up, time it, everything. Now, if your ignition fails, your magneto stops, whatever happens, you go to your toolbox, grab your spare with the French clamp already affixed. Drop it in place. I guarantee you'll be within 1 degree on your ignition timing. This is a great way to solve the problem of possibly missing a race because you got to change the magneto and you don't have time to time it. And if you don't time the motor, you could blow it up. By the way, the name of French clamp was given by my late wife Lois when she heard French Grimes was involved.